Calien Eurlings is een singer-songwriter met een grote voorliefde voor Americana en Bruce Springsteen.
En ze had ook echt fantastische Amerikaanse laarzen aan bij dit optreden.
Is dat alles wat jou is bijgebleven van dit optreden?
En uiteraard haar prachtige stem. En daar gaan we nu naar kijken.
Oh, the road rolls out like a welcome mat to a better place than the one we're at. I ain't got no kind of plan. I've had all of this town I can stand, and I got friends out on the coast. We can jump in the water and see what flows. Some days we might fall apart, and some nights might stay cold and dark. Oh, it don't matter to me, wherever we are's where I wanna be. Hey, honey, for once in our life, let's take our chances and roll the dice. I can be your lucky penny, you can be my four-leaf clover, starting over. This might not be an easy time. There's rivers to cross and hills to climb. Some days we might fall apart, and some nights might stay cold and dark. And nobody wins afraid of losing. Then the hard roads are the ones we're choosing. Some days we'll might beck and smile and know it was worth every mile. And it don't matter to me, wherever we are's where I wanna be. Hey, honey, for once in our life, let's take our chances and roll the dice. I can be your lucky penny, you can be my four-leaf clover, starting over. Oh, it don't matter to me, wherever we are's where I wanna be. And honey, for once in our life, let's take our chances and roll the dice. I can be your lucky penny, you can be my four-leaf clover, starting over.
Ze is jong, talentvol en komt uit een zeer muzikale familie. En haar naam is Eva Kroezen.
Ja, Eva is inderdaad erg jong en ze heeft al op heel veel festival en podia gestaan. Ik kan eigenlijk geen festival in de regio noemen waar ze nog niet stond. Pinkpop nog niet, maar dat komt er wellicht aan. Maar ze heeft in ieder geval al iets heel anders moois gedaan. En dat is een RTVP Parkstad Live Sessie.
Daarom.
Twisted up my mind and now it's unclear. thought I moved on, but now I'm back here, still trying to move slow so I don't fall back down in that black hole. And all those tears put away, and they made me drown in the sea where I couldn't swim, and they made
Lucas Hoebe is een Heerlense rapper die onder de naam EllMatic internationaal aan de weg timmert. Producer Brendan Gijzen, ook bekend als Kijk Een Ster, is al minstens net zo productief.
Ja, en hiphop mag natuurlijk niet ontbreken bij de live sessies. Hun teksten zijn fenomenaal en ja, we gaan er samen naar kijken.
Yo, compa, what up, man? How you doing, man?
I just work, bro. Work, but now focusing the music again. So
when do you have time to record some shit this week?
A matter of fact, I'm not actually not phoning it, man. This is all a track. It's all recorded. Let's go.
Where is the sun?
Be on the clouds, over the rooftops, good looking out. Try to find my way in some daylight. Everybody at home, put your hands up.
Where is the sun?
Put your hands up.
Over the rooftop, still looking down. Try to find my way.
Check it out. Yeah. Stress feelings, you just gotta let it go. And if I see somebody, let them know I'll be on my own, making it myself comfortable. On the road, try to maintain, live your life. I do the same, say no more, time to act up without a lack of discipline. Well, take care of it before it becomes a disaster. Wait up, slow down, don't go too fast though. Gotta live a little bit there on the dance floor. Don't be too greedy to let the cash flow. Ask her what you want to drink or bring her own math after foe. She whispers in my ear, let's go make love. Going in from the back so that my moms won't wake up. Light a wake up, bake up in the morning and start my way with a J and say the day gon' be a good day. Rise up the food chain so I don't lose weight. I rip Brandon as my right hand, I do the right thing. Beyond the clouds. Put your hands up, waving from side to side. Let your body glide from left to right, left to right. Come on. Over the rooftops, good looking out. Try to find my way and someday I'll look down. Cherish the seasons of watching it change. Many reasons to believe and we all in the same. Even when it rains, I make the best out of it. Put on my Sunday suit, I roll a spliff to lit the right of it. Let's get it, might take a minute, but it's worth the time. It feels good to express what's going through my mind. Keep it cool, don't break a sweat in this world we design. Making moves without regrets and never look behind. My glass half full, vodka Red Bull. I'm coming at you, so let me pass through. Check, the world's a classroom and now we in the back. Observing and learning until I end behind the teacher's desk. Knowledge is key, but I haven't found a meaning yet. So I keep searching on my path till I leave my breath. What's next? Don't matter, I'm zoning. Gotta know what's best when you're living in the moment. Beyond the clouds, over the rooftops, good looking out. Try to find my way and someday I'll look down. Feel that, feel that, Over the rooftops, good looking out. Try to find my way and someday I'll look down. Woo. Yo, thank you for having us. We love to be here tonight. This is my man Kijk Een Ster. I'm EllMatic. Go check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. Go check out our music. Thank you. Peace, everybody. As we vibe to the last beat. Woo! Come on. Give me some. Big up.